perform a 5-minute bird count, select the bird count location. If this is the first bird count you've done, you'll need to add species to your shortlist. You can also search for bird species. When you're ready to start, press the play button. This will give you a 5-minute countdown, at which point you'll be offered a save button. If you make a mistake, press and hold to remove one. You can pause at any point. Once paused, you can change the configuration or add more species. Under configurations, you have the option of seen or heard, or simply seen. You can resume the bird count. Under the config button, you also have the option of adding historical bird counts. This works in exactly the same way, but you have the option of adding the date. When you're happy with the bird count, press and hold the save button. And it's ready to add the next bird count.